Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
For about the last 10 months, I've had some pain in my right leg. It jumps between my calf, my thigh, and sometimes around my knee. Been going to a chiropractor for about a week. I almost 10 once a year, and he thinks it's a TFL.
How long have you been seeing the chiropractor?
Year and a half.
Year and a half. And how did you hurt your leg or knee?
Well, you know, I don't remember ever hurting it. I think it was just a kind of a gradual onset, and it just started getting worse and worse. And that's when I was going to the chiropractor anyway, and had him specifically, work on my adjustments based on that right leg as well.
So, any other treatments you had for?
No, other than putting some heat on it and massaging it and using a hot tub, when I can. That's about it.
Can you explain to me how, what kind of motion aggravates your symptoms? How much pain from 0 to 10?
Sometimes when I walk, I have a pain. Getting out of bed after a long night's sleep, there's some stiffness. If I sit on a sofa, watch TV, watch a movie, I can get up, I'm a little stiff and sore. Like I said, I can go down to the gym and I can get on a elliptical trainer, I can get on a rotary bike, and I can go 2 or 3 miles on each one of them, no pain, nothing. Then, an hour or so later, it starts to,
So the motion that aggravated, is it like bending, stairs?
It's the bending and flexing of the leg.
Okay.
Yeah, like right here, I'm feeling it right into here, and I'd say it's probably, the higher I go, it's probably close to a 7, up to an 8.
So that's like almost like a little bit over 90 degrees.
Yep, and I'm also feeling it in the knee a little bit, but more here than the knee. Yeah, that's not as bad. I feel the pain in the same spot, but I'd say it's maybe a 3. But if I go like this, like right now, that's an 8 again. And it's again right in here today.
Oh, that's limited range of motion. It's very limited. Okay. And you get like locks, your knee locks? Or
yeah, it doesn't really lock. It's just a stinging pain.
Stabbing. Okay.
Yeah.
And you feel it on the outside of your knee, yeah?
Occasionally on the outside, sometimes on the inside of the knee. It's more my calf and my thigh than it is my knee. It just depends on the day and what's going on.
Your thigh from the front, the side, the back?
More here, and inside thigh, and right here. And the calf is very sensitive on the inside.
Inside of your calf.
Yeah.
So, but he did not fall or anything or accidents?
Not at all. That's why I'm really surprised. What would cause something like that to just kind of gradually onset? Yeah.
So you hear the grinding?
Yep.
And I can see it in the tools. It's just vibrating.
Yeah, I can tell by the way you rub it.
Sorry.
That's right.
Make sure that's not painful, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
It's more sensitive than it's painful.
But you feel that...
Oh, I got a couple knots. Feels like a knot.
That's a scar tissue. That's a knot. It should feel like nice and smooth like this.
Yeah.
Can you tell the difference?
Yeah, big difference.
Nice and smooth.
Yep.
And you get the scar tissue all in here. Here's not. Sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
Is that painful or it's okay?
Yeah, it's a little painful.
So make sure you tell me, okay?
Yep.
Because I don't want to cause more scar tissue. Yeah, you feel that? That's a very deep end actually in your quad muscles. That's why you were saying it's all over.
Yeah.
Because you have scar tissue all over.
Wow.
Here it's actually not too bad. Actually, your pain.
Yeah, I can tell the difference.
Your pain here probably compensation for here.
Yeah.
For all this knot you have. And worst is actually around this area.
No.
Relax. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's very loud.
Yes.
You see, the scar tissue is talking. Is that painful? It's okay?
No.
Actually, it's worse in your hamstring than the front.
No, that was on the calf. There was a little bit of pain on the calf.
Sorry.
That's sensitive there in that spot.
Mm-hmm.
That's right there is sensitive.
On here?
Yeah.
Sorry. This?
Yeah.
You are 136.
Wow.
I think that's your norm because your skin is 136.
Boy.
Yeah, it was
Amazing.
70 degrees.
Yeah, the amount of it doesn't feel tight like it did before.
That's you are
very little,
floor.
very little, and I'm even lower now than it was before.
You are on the floor actually.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's really good. Okay, let's do the bending.
And this here at motion, the pain is probably a 2 or 3.
Where?
Again, right in here where you just got through working.
Let's drink more water. Try it again.
Yep. Again, it's right in here, but it's a lot less.
How much?
This is greatly reduced.
How much?
I'd say it's maybe a 2 or 3.
Okay.
So you cut it down by 50%.
Okay. For bad inflammation, I usually have patients, they can buy this and just wear it to calm it down, a few hours a day. If it's mild inflammation, it usually take a few minutes just to do the treatment here. We don't need to have longer time for it, but it depends on how severe the inflammation.
Yep. Again, this is no problem at all. Oh, this is another 50% less.
So how much from 0 to 10?
Yeah, it's barely there.
Okay.
1.5. 2.
Okay, that's good. So you have a little bit of inflammation. Just use it more Magnahealing. That will be fine. Yeah, you can have a seat and just you had chiropractor before. You had massage. Can you tell any difference between what you had before and ASTR treatment?
Yeah, this treatment here feels like something progress was made. That things changed. When I had my chiropractor and heat and things like that, I felt like there was some relief, but it didn't feel like it disappeared. This feels like there's a definitive difference that something's gone. There's been a major change.
That's nice. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.